The top 5 savings accounts to generate profits. High yield savings. Hello, you are now in Ash Cash Tash channel. Do you want to get more from your money? Discover our best recommendations for high yield savings accounts to see how much faster your savings can grow. These accounts offer competitive interest rates so you can be sure your money is making money while you sit back and watch your savings increase. Don't pass up the chance to increase the amount you can save. Today, get started on your road to financial success by looking over our list of the top 5 high-yield savings accounts. Number 1. Savings Account Express. The American Express High Yield Savings Account is the first savings account on our list and offers an appealing 4.15% APY at the moment, with no monthly minimums or fees, and FDIC insurance coverage of up to $250,000. This account stands out. American Express is known for their credit cards, but they have also been in the banking industry since 2008, continuously providing rates that are competitive. You may avoid the inconvenience of moving your money across accounts when interest rates change, which happens regularly, thanks to their flexibility in modifying rates in time with the Federal Reserve. Remember that this account doesn't come with an ATM or debit card because it's intended to collect interest rather than be used for regular spending. Should you ever require access to your money, the best high-yield savings accounts for your money unlock your earnings. High-yield savings accounts are a ray of light for clever savers in an era of rising prices and interest rates. These accounts provide an easy method to increase your money without any effort, with interest rates climbing beyond 4% and even approaching 5% in certain situations. The top 5 high-yield savings accounts have been carefully chosen for this guide, taking into account elements like accessibility, FDIC insurance, fees, and reputation. Our goal is to provide you the tools and confidence you need to take advantage of these financial opportunities and relish the delight of seeing your money grow. Number 2. Ally Savings. Your financial success. In comparison to standard savings accounts, Ally Bank's high-yield savings account offers a competitive 4.25% annual percentage yield, or APY. Since there are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, managing this account is simple. Additionally, the FDIC insures your savings, guaranteeing that your money is safe up to $250,000 in case of any unforeseen events. Despite the fact that Ally Bank only does business online and doesn't have any physical branches, it has developed a strong reputation over time. Ally has about $191 billion in total assets as of the end of 2022, demonstrating its financial stability and dependability as a banking company. Online banking offers many consumers the convenience of managing their funds from any location with an internet connection. For people wishing to efficiently build their money, Ally Bank's high-yield savings account is a desirable option due to its appealing rates, ease of use, and financial security. Number 3. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Easy Savings. A high-yield savings account from Marcus by Goldman Sachs is available with a tempting APY of 4.30%. This well-known account has been in existence for a while and is renowned for its simplicity. It's open to a variety of savers because there are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Your money is safe since deposits of up to $250,000 are covered by FDIC insurance. One standout feature is that you can start earning interest right away on transfers up to $100,000, giving you a slight advantage over certain other banks in terms of how quickly interest accrues. Marcus does not offer debit or ATM cards, but they do have a user-friendly smartphone app. Because Marcus is a part of Goldman Sachs, you are essentially banking with a reputable financial juggernaut. Another interesting fact is that Marcus is the company that backs the Apple Card savings account. Another interesting fact is that Marcus is the company that backs the Apple Card savings account, which now pays a respectable annual percentage yield of 4.15%. If you have an Apple Card, this gives you a simple method to use the app to access a high-yield savings account. Due to Goldman Sachs' reputation for swift rate changes in response to Federal Reserve statements, you may be able to maximize your savings returns when rates arise. For those looking for simplicity and affordable rates in their savings account, Marcus by Goldman Sachs is often a solid option. In conclusion, Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers a simple, established high-yield savings account with a competitive APY of 4.30%. It has no minimum balance restrictions, no monthly fees, and is FDIC insured. The mobile app is easy to use, even without ATM or debit cards. The special benefit of instant interest increase on transactions up to $100,000 may be helpful. Furthering its appeal as a dependable savings alternative are Marcus' ties to Goldman Sachs and its responsiveness to Federal Reserve change in interest rates. Number 4. Public financing. You seem interested in learning more about Sofi. Personal loans, student loan refinancing, mortgages, investment accounts, and other financial services are all offered by Sofi, also known as social finance. They have been well known for putting a strong emphasis on digital financial services and are well liked for their user-friendly mobile app and low interest rates. The high-yield savings account from Sofi is one of their standout products. It normally provides excellent interest rates to help you grow your funds. They frequently offer benefits like FDIC insurance coverage for peace of mind, no minimum balance requirements, and no monthly fees. Over time, Sofi has added other services, including investment and retirement accounts, making it a complete financial platform for many users. Additionally, they place a priority on financial education and provide materials to support consumers in making wise financial decisions. Number 5. Wealthfront. Boost your savings. An attractive high-yield cash account from Wealthfront with a breathtaking 4.80% annual percentage yield This account has been around for a while and has become well known for its affordable prices and simplicity of usage. It functions similarly to other productive savings accounts, letting you deposit money and earn interest every month. The high FDIC insurance coverage of up to $5 million is one noteworthy aspect. To offer this coverage, Wealthfront works with several institutions in partnership. There are no account fees. However, there must be a $1 minimum deposit. Additionally, they provide a referral scheme from which you and your buddy may both profit, possibly raising your APY. Savings are greatly benefited by Wealthfront's quick rate changes in reaction to Federal Reserve statements. With its 4.80% annual percentage yield, attractive rates, and user-friendly features, Wealthfront's high-yield cash account is made to make saving money simple. With this cash account, you can earn interest on your deposits just like you would with a conventional high-yield savings account. Notably, it provides FDIC insurance protection of up to $5 million, far exceeding the usual cap of $250,000. There are no account fees, although there is a tiny minimum deposit of $1. Additionally, Wealthfront has a referral program that benefits both you and the person you recommended. Wealthfront stands out for its prompt response to Federal Reserve rate adjustments, frequently informing consumers of rate rises as soon as they occur and maximizing your savings potential. Finally, these top 5 high-yield savings accounts present a fantastic chance to maximize your savings. They are a wise alternative for increasing your money because they offer competitive APYs, low fees, and trustworthy organizations. These accounts can assist you on your journey to financial success. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a long-term objective, or simply want to make your money work harder, don't pass up the opportunity to improve your savings. Look into these choices and begin your path to successful savings right away.